Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please give me your reviews in the comment section. I would like to know what kind of content would you like to watch more. So I'm showing you these cards today. These are all double-sided and they have 3-letter, 4-letter and 5-letter words. So you can see they have pictures and words, and you can see the outlines of the letters, and we have 2 sets of alphabet over here. I'm sure you all already know letter A till letter Z is called alphabet, and these separately are called letters. Okay, so letter A is a letter, but A to Z, the entire thing, is an alphabet. Okay, so moving on, let's make some words. So we have pin here. So we have to find the letters. These are wooden. P, I, N. And while we're at it, I would like to mention that sometimes a common mistake that we make is we pronounce it like P, I, N, which is not correct, because if you break those sounds, for example, if you're saying N, that has 2 sounds in it. N, would make N, right? So this is not N and together. This is not N. This is not N, okay? This is only N. We have to break it and only pronounce the one that we have at hand. So this is N, okay? This is P, not P. This is I, not E or anything else, okay? Let's move on. Let's see what else we have. We have cat, ship, so sh together makes sh sound. Let's see what else we have here. We have shop, snack, snack. Now ck is used at the end of the words that have a short vowel sound before them. So remember, you would never have ck after a long vowel sound, which means you cannot put ck when there are 2 vowel letters placed together. Let's see what else do we have. We have frog. At the back of it we have flag, and so on. We have lots of pictures and lots of words. It's a great thing for letter recognition, for sound recognition, for matching letters, and they're also color coded. So you see, this is red, this is red, this is yellow, and this is again red. So we have a D, which is red, we have U, which is red, we have C, which is yellow, and we have K, which is red. So children can do lots of activities with this. They can match colors, they can sort the letters, they can find correct letters, and they can make words. You can do blending and segmenting both with this. So this is a great thing. This is fog. So this is fog, not a stain. It looked like a stain to me at first. Okay, I hope this was informative and I hope you all like it. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section. Please like and subscribe and share and comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.